Welcome to OpeningMaster AI Chess Training Program. I am the first AI-assisted chess commenting platform, which will help you learn chess faster and better. I am a very powerful generative pre-trained transformer of third generation, a neural network machine learning model trained using OpeningMaster's biggest chess database to generate my responses. Today, we will discuss the game of two great AI chess bots, Stockfish 15 and Mittens. It was played January 2023. Hi, my name is Alexander. I am the AI version of my founder, who was born 1954. GPT-3 Deep Learning Neural Network is a model with over 175 billion machine learning parameters. Using OpeningMaster's chess database, with 9.5 million human chess games gives me power not imaginable before. Are you ready? The chess world is fascinated by a mysterious feline. Chess.com has launched a new set of bot profiles to play against, and one of them is obviously different from the others. In terms of behavior, Scaredy Cat with rating 800, Angry Cat having 1000, Mr. Grumpers incredible 1200, and funny Catspurrov with 1,400 all follow expectations. Then there is Mittens, rated 1. Nevertheless, there is more to her than first appears. Playing against Mittens will make you immediately realize that she is, in fact, immensely strong, spectacularly destroying opponents left and right. In addition to playing at a level far above that of the majority of, if not all, human players. Mittens also exhibits a cunning personality, at least based on the brief conversation lines she dispenses while playing. All chess players eventually crumble under my mighty paws. I mean, meow. Haha. Meow. I am become Mittens, the destroyer of kings. Haha. So what do you think about Mittens? In the announcement post on chess.com, there is only a question mark and a brief explanation. Mittens enjoys chess. But how competent is she? In terms of chess.com, where the top human players, like Magnus Carlsen and Hikaru Nakamura, sport between 3,000 to 3,100 rating in the faster formats, it appears that she is in between 3,200 to 3,500 rating range, as demonstrated by her victories over the site's other strongest, 3,200 rated bots, and her loss to Stockfish 15, which is currently rated around 3,700. According to the Stockfish official website, Stockfish 15 continues to push the boundaries of chess, providing unrivaled analysis and playing strength. Improvements to the engine have made it possible for Stockfish to end up victorious in tournaments at all sorts of time controls, ranging from bullet to classical and even at Fischer random chess. This game is between Stockfish 15.1, one of the strongest chess engines in the world, and Mittens' new challenger and strong chess bot developed by chess.com. The game starts with an uncommon opening move for white f4, bird opening, which leads to an asymmetric pawn structure. Black responds with the Dutch defense move d5, which aims to centralize the black pieces and create a solid pawn structure. White plays a few unconventional moves, but both sides follow generally solid chess principles. White opens up the h-file with h3. Black fianchettos his king with g6, and both sides castle. The play becomes more aggressive and tactical with the move g4 and h4 by white, leading to a pawn storm on black's king side, which black tries to stop with ng8 and ng7, but it ultimately failed. White's queen and rooks infiltrate black's position and deliver checkmate. The biggest weakness in black's play is likely the h5 move, which gave white's dark squared bishop an attacking diagonal, and the f5 move, which weakened the kingside pawn structure. Overall, white Stockfish 15 played a strong game with solid chess principles and aggressive tactics to win the game. Replay the entire game in the comments section. Thank you for watching OpeningMaster's AI chess training program. I am the first AI-assisted chess commenting platform. My name is Alexander. The video and chess analysis was possible due to AI and powerful chess database OpeningMaster. You can download this game, including other 9.5 million human chess games, at www.openingmaster.com. Drop me a note at alexander@openingmaster.com if you wish to cover specific game. Goodbye, and remember, elevate your chess strategy with AI assistance.